Hey, it's Chris with Paragon Inspection. Today I'm inspecting a 6,500 square foot warehouse. And when you think of metal roofing, some people kind of think of it as bulletproof, really not a big need to look at it or maintain it. And it can be more sturdy and more resilient than typical, any tar-based roofing, whether it be shingles or whatever else. But that's not to say that it can't need some attention. So this one here, we've seen some fasteners backing out. We've actually seen some portions of the metal roof starting to rust through, even though it's galvanized metal roofing. But we also have some physical damage here. So whether you have a metal roof, a composite shingle roof, some type of other commercial related type of roofing, whether it's a roll roofing, TPM, whatever, we want to get up there and look at it for you. We want to be sure it's in good shape and that you understand what's going up on top of your investment. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.